Welcome to our Azure Administration and Azure DevOps training program. This program is designed to guide you from the very basics to the most advanced levels of cloud engineering. We follow a practical and job-oriented approach, similar to how a company trains new employees when they start their first project. Our goal is to ensure that you not only learn the concepts, but also gain the confidence and real-world skills to succeed in your career. We begin with the fundamentals of Microsoft Azure, where you will learn how cloud identity works and how core infrastructure services are designed and implemented. From there, you will move into understanding and building Azure infrastructure solutions, which include virtual machines, networking, storage, security, and databases. As you progress, you will realize the importance of automation in managing cloud infrastructure. At this stage, we introduce you to infrastructure as code using tools such as Terraform, Azure DevOps, YAML pipelines, GitHub, and GitHub Actions. This ensures that you are well prepared to automate deployments and streamline operations. The program then expands into containerization and orchestration. You will learn Docker, container fundamentals, and Azure Kubernetes service. These skills are critical in modern cloud engineering and DevOps practices. Our approach is not just focused on theory. Every concept is demonstrated in real time so that you can see how it works and build a deeper understanding of the product. This method helps you retain knowledge and apply it effectively in a real project environment. By the end of this program, you will be confident and capable in multiple areas. You will be strong in cloud identity, cloud engineering, automation, and DevOps engineering. This combination of skills prepares you for real company requirements and makes you industry ready. We have many success stories of students who are now working successfully in cloud and DevOps roles. While we do not publish these details publicly due to privacy, we are proud of their achievements. We hope this gives you a clear understanding of our Azure Administration and Azure DevOps training program. Join us to enhance your skills, gain real-world experience, and become a confident, job-ready cloud professional. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to our learning journey.